Sakop ni kuan.
Burgos.
Kini lugar ah.
Oh.
Yung tuyo dito. Mga sasakyanan.
Maugid. Oh, 100.
Ako, nabayar na nila kay. Hindi kay cut mo na.
Pero pa bayari.
O sa malagi ko ana.
Nag-process pas mga papel.
Ha?
Nag-process pas mga papel.
Flat? Ha? Ha? Yung now?
Yeah, so we just decided to get all this fence and use it on our back, on our to use it at the house there down at the highway, down at the main road. So instead of leaving it, because it's quite big expense in this also, so we need to accommodate, we need to use what is available to use.